Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Delta Faucet tool is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast tackling plumbing projects. This video review will dive deep into the features, performance, and overall value of this tool, helping you determine if it's the right fit for your needs. We'll explore its ease of use, durability, and how it can simplify various faucet installations and repairs, ultimately saving you time and money. Number 5. Delta Lahara Aerator RP51345. This is a genuine Delta repair part, designed for Lahara bathroom sink faucets. It is a water-efficient product that meets Cal Green standards. This aerator fits several Delta Lahara faucet models, including 538, 2538, 3538, 4538, 2592, 3592, and 4592. It ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance for your faucet. The package includes a wrench for easy installation. This makes it simple for anyone to replace the aerator without needing special tools or professional help. You can be sure of the quality and reliability because it is a genuine Delta repair part. This ensures that the product will last and function as intended. This product is designed to be water efficient, meeting Cal Green standards. It helps conserve water while still providing excellent performance. Please note that the color and design of the included wrench may vary. However, this will not affect the product's functionality. What we like. This aerator is a genuine Delta repair part, ensuring a perfect fit and lasting performance. It also includes a wrench, making installation a breeze, saving you time and effort. If you have a Delta Lahara faucet and need a quick, reliable fix, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Delta RP51345 works great on my Delta Leland 2575 LF RMBPU bathroom faucets. I have 3. It fits perfectly. It was fixed in 5 minutes and the water is running normally. Number 4. Delta RP46463 Chrome Cartridge. This is the Delta RP46463, a small, chrome cartridge. It's a genuine Delta repair part, designed for your convenience. This cartridge features a dual-function design. It allows for separate control of both water volume and temperature, giving you the perfect shower experience. The pressure balance feature ensures a consistent water temperature. It helps to prevent sudden changes in temperature, providing a safer and more comfortable shower. This cartridge is designed for use with multi-choice 1300-1400 series tub and showers produced after March 2006. Make sure it fits your system. It is ASSE certified, ASSE 1016, meeting high standards for safety and performance. You can trust it to deliver reliable and consistent performance. What we like. This cartridge provides dual-function control, allowing you to adjust both volume and temperature independently. It's also ASSE certified, guaranteeing safety and performance. If you are looking for precise control over your shower experience and want to avoid sudden temperature changes, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The Delta Faucet Tool is a great product. It works perfectly. The design is very good. Number 3. Delta RP54977 Aerator Wrench Plastic. This aerator features a sleek design, just like ocean waves. It is designed to make a lasting impression. This product is water efficient, meeting Cal Green standards. It helps conserve water while still providing great performance. This aerator is compatible with Delta faucets, 1353 DST, 3353 DST, 4453 DST, and 11926 DST. It is designed to fit perfectly with these models. The thread pattern is 1316 to 27 male threads. It is easy to install and provides a secure fit. This product has a flow rate of 1.5 GPM, 5.7 L min. It helps to save water. What we like. This aerator combines water efficiency with a stylish design, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. The sleek design makes a lasting impression. If you like a modern look and want to conserve water while upgrading your faucet, consider this option. What people say. The removable wrench works perfectly to remove the old aerator strainer and install the new one. I have a Delta Lahara faucet and I bought this since it specifically says that it is a RP54977 replacement part. Both the tool and the aerator worked well and solved my low flow problem. Number 2. Faucet aerator kit with removal wrench. Tired of splashing water? This kit is designed to solve that problem. It includes everything you need for a smoother water flow. The package includes 12 faucet aerators in 4 sizes, plus 6 removal keys in 5 sizes. This ensures compatibility with most major faucet brands. Made from durable ABS, this aerator kit is built to last. The sturdy construction ensures it can withstand daily use. The aerator reduces water impact and prevents splashing. The built-in strainer also filters out impurities for cleaner water. This kit fits kitchen, bathroom, and lavatory faucets. The included tools make it easy to install on various faucet types. Installation is quick and easy with the included wrench tools. You can complete the process in minutes, without needing a plumber. It's convenient for everyday use. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of compatibility with various faucet brands and sizes. It includes removal keys, making installation simple and quick. If you have multiple faucets or are looking for a versatile solution to improve water flow and reduce splashing, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The Delta Faucet Tool is a great product. The tool works perfectly. It is well designed. Number 1. Delta Trinsic 17 Series Shower Handle, Venetian Bronze. Introducing the Delta Trinsic 17 Series Shower Handle. This handle will transform your daily routine. It offers both style and functionality. Please note that the rough-in valve is sold separately. You'll need to purchase Delta's multi-choice universal shower valve to complete the unit. We recommend model R10000 UNBX or R10000 UNBXHF. The included monitor pressure-balanced valve cartridge ensures a consistent shower temperature. It balances the pressure of hot and cold water. This prevents sudden temperature changes. This shower handle features a dual-function design. It allows you to adjust both the water temperature and volume independently. This gives you maximum control over your shower experience. You can install this Delta shower handle trim kit with confidence. It's backed by Delta Faucet's lifetime limited warranty. This ensures its quality and durability. While not explicitly mentioned in the original content, this product shares features with other Delta products. Delta products often have touch-clean spray holes. These allow you to easily wipe away buildup with a touch. What we like. This shower trim kit offers dual-function control, allowing you to adjust water temperature and volume separately. The pressure-balanced valve cartridge ensures consistent temperature, protecting you from sudden changes. If you value precise control, safety, and long-term reliability in your shower, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Great faucet. Nice finish and quality, but came scraped on the handle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.